Let's be honest, camping and beach trips are fun until you have to haul a mountain of gear. Still breaking your back, carrying heavy bags, and bending over constantly? Say goodbye to the struggle. Meet the Timber Ridge Double-Decker Wagon. This heavy-duty companion is literally built to take the weight off your shoulders. What makes it a total game-changer? It features a unique double-decker design. No more endless bending over to pick up your stuff. Plus, it has a massive 400-liter capacity and holds up to 450 pounds. Look at these wheels. These thick, all-terrain, 360-degree rotating wheels glide like butter. Whether it's deep beach sand, muddy grass, or rough gravel, this wagon does not stop. And the best part? When you're done, it collapses in seconds into a super compact size. It fits perfectly into any car trunk without taking up your precious space. Stop struggling and upgrade your outdoor adventures. Grab yours right now! Check out the official Amazon link in the video description below.